Somehow we always find the best roads in the world. And this island is just amazing, it's beautiful. We are Abhi and Ivanka. We spent the past 1 week traveling in Java, Indonesia. After exploring the culturally rich city of Yogyakarta, we climbed the active volcanoes of Mount Bromo and Mount Ijen, which have been the absolute highlight of our trip so far. For the next 8 days, we will be traveling to some of the most incredible parts of Bali. In this video, we start off with quick stopovers in Canggu and Sanur, followed by an amazing day trip to the beautiful island of Nusa Penida, which we highly recommend. Don't forget to subscribe, click like and follow us on Instagram. Alright, now let's begin our Bali adventure. We are in Bali! We arrived from Java yesterday to Bali. We took a ferry from Ketapang harbor to the island of Bali and we drove 4 hours to the small town of Canggu. And we are staying in this nice, cute little homestay. The person who owns this homestay has his own nice little temple inside.
So yesterday evening we explored the street of Canggu on Batabelong Street, and you've really noticed the difference between here and the most places in Java. So yesterday we ended up in a really nice restaurant where there was a lot of nice live music and people dancing. So we had a lot of good food and really enjoyed the nightlife of Canggu over here.
Yeah, and today the plan is that we go for a walk on the street of Batabelong all the way to the beach.
We have come for breakfast to Crate Cafe, one of the places that is known for their smoothie bowls. And we have ordered one of their popular ones, a hipster bowl and a mango-licious. So we'll see how it is.
The floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I'd slept.
Batabelong beach is awesome.
But things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on. Heading for a brand new start at the break of dawn. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware, the rumor is out, nothing can stop.
Hey guys, we are in Sanur, which is like a sleepy town in near Denpasar, Bali. It's not very sleepy. If you can see, we are in a night market right now and we are trying different kinds of street food. I have ayam bakar in front of me, which is grilled chicken, satay kambing and satay ayam, which is chicken and lamb skewers. So let's see how they are. How is it?
Satay ayam chicken. It's really tasty. It's a lot better than we have in the Netherlands.
This is satay kambing. It's lamb skewers with satay sauce. The texture is a bit hard. It's similar to satay ayam, which is chicken skewers, but I definitely prefer this one. They have so many flavors in this market. It's incredible. Mee goreng.
You better watch out.
Oh, the night market was awesome, guys. You should definitely try the night market in Sanur. It's a place on the western side of Bali. It definitely is much more quiet than Canggu.
Here I come.
And so the next day we got a fast boat to Nusa Penida, which took about 30 minutes. The boat ride was a little rough, but manageable. As soon as we got on the island, we rented our scooter, fully blended into pure nature and went straight to the famous Kelingking beach.
The views from the top were breathtaking, with the blue ocean and the massive cliffs. We had seen videos of this beach on Instagram. It surely exceeded our expectations in reality. Before it got crowded, we started our walk along the narrow and steep pathway. Hey guys, we are at Nusa Penida and this is the famous Kelingking beach, which you know all from the Instagram. The walk down here is pretty tricky. The stairs are very steep, but the weather is perfect. We even saw some manta rays swimming right on the beach. The ride from the harbor to the Kelingking beach took us about 45 minutes. We rented a scooter and this island is just amazing. It's beautiful.
I followed you home. Yeah, we won the fight.
We're climbing down the pathway now, thinking whether we should go really to the bottom or not, because there are a lot of steps to go back up again. This pathway now is a little bit more difficult than before. But I think we should be fine eventually.
And you said, don't leave me, we are fighting the same wars. And I can't shake this feeling off with my eyes on yours. If you never wanted somebody by your side.
Mighty tough to get back up. Come early in the morning and avoid the crowds. But it's absolutely ridiculous how many people there are. But it's worth it. Kelingking beach is super touristy. It's very worth it. Definitely visit it. But it's really, really touristy. So come very early as you can. We are sitting at one of the restaurants right outside this beach area. Wear some really good shoes. It's very difficult to get down and even more difficult to get back up.
Yeah, we took the first ferry. It was at 7:30 from Sanur. And when we came, it was less crowded as when we came up. When we came up, I think it was 4 times as busy. So yeah, if you take the first ferry and come directly here by scooter, then you'll still be fine and can make some really good shots.
After this, we still have to decide what we have to do. But maybe we'll go to some other beach, maybe the Manta Bay. We have heard we can snorkel with manta rays, but we will see if we are able to do that.
Because the roads are really going up and down. There are a lot of holes in the roads and they're not wide at all. So if a car is passing by, it's pretty tricky. But the views, it is so beautiful over here, this country, man. Oh, I love it.
Always. Somehow we always find the best roads in the world.
And I'm always the scared one. We survived that ride. Jeez, that was a bumpy ride. Most of the road was good, but the last part, oh, scary. Now we're gonna see if we're actually at the right spot. Manta Bay, I hope so, because we're really high and I hoped we could swim.
So we reached Manta Point. Turns out it's not really a beach. It's just a viewpoint from the top of a cliff. But it's really awesome. Look at this.
This is the end.
We were really hoping to snorkel with the mantas, but not sure if we will have enough time anymore. But this view is really gorgeous.
There's a boat. First one we saw here.
Still have about 3 hours left on this island, so we will do our best to find a beach. Let's get back to these awful roads.
Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like the one before.
Broken beach. We've been trying to find any beach to lie down at this island. It has a lot of good ones, but none of them are approachable. Like this one, it looks really good, but it's like a cliff. We are so tired, guys. We spent almost a full day on Nusa Penida. It's a definite must-visit island. One piece of advice I'll give is if you visit here, please book a place and stay for at least 2 days. Do not do a day trip like us. It's a very huge island. We were only able to skim a small portion of the western part of the island. Our efforts to find a proper beach to sit at were futile. We could not find a beach. Everything ends with a cliff running into the ocean. But Crystal Bay is a good one. That's very close to the harbor. So if you're looking for a beach, check that out. We are spending the last 10-15 minutes in one of these bars near the ocean, and we're gonna head out and we will have a 45 minutes ride back to the harbor, and then we'll call it a day. But hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.
Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see must have been